For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop wasting time in the kitchen. One appliance does it all. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's 10 appliances packed into one smart machine. Pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, sous vide, make yogurt, cook rice and grains, bake, sterilize, or simply keep your food warm. Imagine clearing your countertop and still having every cooking method at your fingertips. Cook smarter, not harder. Dinner doesn't need to take all night. This cooker preheats 20% faster and cooks up to 70% quicker than slow cooking methods. Perfect for busy families or anyone who wants real food without spending hours in the kitchen. Big enough for the family. With a 6-quart capacity, it serves up to 6 portions. That means family dinners, meal prep for the week, or even a potluck dish, all handled with ease. Simple controls, reliable results. No guesswork, no stress. With 28 customizable smart programs, just press a button and let the cooker handle rice, soups, stews, or even sous vide like a pro. Safety first. Worried about steam release? This model includes a gentle steam release switch and diffusing cover, so you can release steam safely and quietly without the scary bursts you might remember from old-school pressure cookers. Cleanup made easy. No more arguing about dishes. Both the lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a 2-minute job. Built for everyday use. Powered at 1200 watts and UL and ULC listed, it's designed for performance and safety. You can count on it day after day. Endless meal ideas at your fingertips. Stuck for inspiration? The Instant Pot app includes over 800 recipes, helping you find quick dinners, meal prep plans, and creative ways to use all 10 functions.